How much should you actually spend on a parking mode dash cam? It's a bit tricky because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. Let's break down what actually works and what's just shiny on the surface. Product number 1, Rove R2 4K Dual. First up is the Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. Priced at $107.99, this one caught my attention because it comes with a free 128GB card and dual-channel recording. If you want peace of mind while your car is parked, this is worth a serious look. The 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera mean you're capturing every detail, whether it's road signs or license plates. That 150 degrees ultra-wide angle at the front captures more of the road, which is critical if something happens. Plus, the Sony SDARVIS2 sensor really shines in low light, ensuring your recordings are clear even at night. With over 12,800 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, people seem to trust this one. Now, some users have mentioned that the installation can be a bit tricky, especially if you're not tech-savvy. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, the features like motion detection and 24-hour parking mode really make it worthwhile, offering full protection for your vehicle. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable dash cam that covers both front and rear. Skip this one if you're looking for something super simple and hassle-free to install. Now, if Rove's installation concerns bother you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Wolfbox G840S. Next up is the Wolfbox G840S Mirror Dash Cam, priced at $139.99. What really stood out for me was its massive 12-inch display that gives you 1.5 times the viewing area of a standard mirror. If you want to minimize blind spots while driving or parking, this is a solid choice. Plus, with 8 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS tracking, you can easily connect to your phone for real-time viewing and sharing, which is super convenient. Over 14,600 reviews and a rating of 4.3 stars show that users appreciate the additional safety it provides. Some customers have pointed out that the night vision could be better compared to other models. This is perfect for you if you prioritize a large display and ease of access to recordings. Skip this one if you prefer traditional dash cam designs over mirror models. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more compact solution. Product number 3, 70mm A800SE. Now let's talk about the 70mm A800SE, which is priced at $89.98. This one really impressed me with its sleek design and the fact that it includes a free 128GB card. If you want a dash cam that fits neatly in your car without taking up much space, this deserves your attention. And with features like a built-in G sensor that locks important clips during incidents, it ensures your evidence is safe. The Wi-Fi 6 capability allows super fast download speeds, which is a huge plus. With over 2,200 reviews and an impressive 4.5-star rating, many users are happy with its performance. However, some users mention that the app connectivity can be a bit hit or miss. But here's the thing, once you get it connected, the ease of sharing videos and managing settings makes it worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality. Skip this one if you need extensive parking mode features. Now, if the A800SE's app issues concern you, this next dash cam might just be the reliability you need. Product number 4, Redtiger F7NP. Next up is the Redtiger F7NP, priced at $129.99. This dash cam really caught my eye with its SDARVIS2 sensor, which ensures you get clear footage day or night. If you want something that performs well in low-light conditions, this is worth considering. The built-in GPS and 8 GHz Wi-Fi ensure easy access to your footage and speed tracking right from your smartphone. With over 25,300 reviews and a 4.2-star rating, it's clear that many users find value in its features. Now, some users mention that it can sometimes have connectivity issues with the app. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable dash cam that excels in night vision. Skip this if you're looking for a simple plug-and-play model without advanced features. Now, If you're interested in voice control and touchscreen options, the next product might be just what you're looking for. Product number 5, Redtiger F7N Touch. Finally, we have the Redtiger F7N Touch, priced at $139.99. This one impressed me with its voice control and touchscreen features, which are great for minimizing distractions while driving. If you want hands-free control, this might be the perfect fit for you. With 4K front and 1080p rear recording, it captures stunningly clear footage. Plus, it has a loop recording feature that automatically overwrites older footage, so you never miss an important moment. It's rated 4.4 stars with over 6,300 reviews, indicating a strong user satisfaction. However, some users found the voice commands could be a bit finicky. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's a fantastic feature that adds convenience to the whole experience. This is perfect for you if you value high-tech features and ease of use. Skip this one if you prefer more traditional controls without the fuss. So there you have it. The Rove R2 4K Dual and Wolfbox G840S both offer solid features for different preferences. The 70mm A800SC is budget-friendly, while the Redtiger F7NP and F7N Touch provide advanced options for those who want high-tech features. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.